This is a supermarket shelf in the U.S. This is one in Venezuela. The shortage of basic products is a cause for concern for many Venezuelans living in South Florida.
It's very sad. It's the first time in our country, Venezuela, something like that is happening.
This Venezuelan stylist lives in a Miami suburb and says she's helping her sister by sending her flour, soap, and rice.
Yeah, I sending flour, rice, soap, and some daily things.
The owner of this grocery store is also Venezuelan, and he says he has seen an increase of clients buying basic products to ship to their country.
There are many people come here, asking for where they can find a better price, to buy a lot, quantity. I can't believe that Venezuela, is passing through this experience. We never imagined, a situation like this.
According to the Venezuelan Central Bank, the shortage index in the country reached 21% in April, up from 13% in November 2011. Among those products that are hard to find in grocery stores are milk, sugar, flour, certain meats, and even toilet paper. Some consumers are struggling to find certain medications in drugstores. And those are some of the products that the owners of this cargo shipping company say are being sent to Venezuela more and more frequently.
Before, electronics, clothing, watches, and now food, toilet paper, toothpaste, baby food.
Victoria Ben says the cost of the shipping sometimes doubles the cost of the product, but that does not seem to deter her clients.
Sadly, in Venezuela, basic products are not available, so people pay for it. They don't care about the price.
Because, as many say, the idea is to help their loved ones have at least the most basic products. Adriana Hauser, CNN, Miami.